We are the Zero-G network in Mexico. Smile, smile, smile. ¿Sí así? Okay. Y empezando. Está muy rápido eso. Did you know that an association that unites all zero-G network operators around the world exists? First of all, you should know that Sigfox is the world's leading provider of Internet of Things, deploying the global zero-G network to connect the physical world with the digital one. The zero-G network is a low-power IoT networking protocol delivering low-cost, low-range, and low-power consumption. It has been adopted by all zero-G network operators as a global standard. But what is the Internet of Things? In a few words, it's a technology that allows us to connect everyday items to the cloud so we can obtain data from them. Now, Zero-G United Nations is an international association of trusted, experienced zero-G network operators with a broad portfolio of successful Internet of Things implementations. Together, we provide the only global zero-G IoT network powered by Sigfox technology, supporting coverage for more than 1 billion people in more than 70 countries and territories with an ecosystem of more than 800 devices, platforms, and solutions. Can you imagine that? 70 countries united by a single network. Zero-G United Nations members work with an extensive ecosystem of world-class partners to help clients create and accelerate data-driven business growth and efficiency. Together, we enable the connection of millions of assets to the cloud throughout the global zero-G network. Zero-G network operators and their partners enable our customers to accelerate data-driven business efficiency by seamlessly connecting millions of sensors and objects across the world's largest zero-G network. We leverage the collective skills of our members to accelerate the adoption of the global IoT market and unlock opportunities in a unified, efficient, and effective way. We are committed to ensuring that IoT is harnessed to its full potential and across the planet so that everything is connected and working as efficiently as possible. Zero-G United Nations was founded by 55 members and WND is one of them. Together we connect more than 1 billion people in more than 70 countries around the world. This makes the Zero-G network the world's largest open, standalone, and dedicated IoT network, ready to easily connect anything. WND is the Zero-G network operator for Latin America and the UK. We connect objects and change the world. We are the Zero-G network in Latin America.